After the biggest bird was defeated by Goku, they lived peacefully until one day. It's been peaceful for a long time. It's been quiet. Too quiet. Well, you have beat the biggest bird. Everything's good again. Yeah. I'm just sensing energy going wild now. Dad, relax. Unless you let the biggest bird live. Then you're gonna have to worry for me. Don't worry, Gohan. I think I beat him. I should have. Oh gosh, doubts about beating him? He's probably dead. Like you said, he hasn't bothered us. Or he's been planning something. Calm down. No. Yes. I can't. Relax. Yeah, Dad. Spend time with us. You gotta train in case he ever comes back. Alright, I'm removing your training privileges until you learn to spend time with your family. Does training with Gohan? No, it does not count. Somewhere else. You can't beat me. Charizard Mini, don't forget to call us the shots. I'll do what I want. You're my clone. The boss wants him dead, but with his soul alive. All I gotta use is soul extract. That's all I've got to use. 'Cause I'm gonna be the one to finish him. Not if I have anything to say about it. You ever heard of seismitoss? No. Huzzah! Oh, that impact. He must be dead. Yeah, that should do it. Good. Alright, take him to headquarters. Broly's power-ups, they're dropping. Fast! He's nearby. Goku, I told you. Wait, what? He must be in danger. I don't know who it is. It's a familiar energy. I gotta go. So, Goku arrives at the scene. Alright, I know I gotta do. Say, Broly. Oh, who's there? Probably just a dove. Oh, who is this? Speed. Oh, it must be Goku. Oh, must be who? Goku. I didn't think you'd know we were here. I can sense energy. You trying to kill Broly wasn't a smart idea. I'm gonna make sure you regret this seismic storm. Now, time to use outrage. Now, time for a flamethrower. Wow! It goes rolled out of the way. It's out of time. I'm taking you back to my house. Okay. Back at Goku's house, he arrives. Hey Gigi, I have a question. Do you have some good food to fix someone who may be dying? Who is that? Okay, he can crawl. He's not dead yet. You need you to feed him. Make him better. Please. Broly. That's him? Huh? Who's that? They're at a door. And it could be the biggest bird. It could be Charizard's. I gotta go hold him off. Who's here? It's me. Now, I've got one thing to do, and I'm not letting you ruin that. You're going to let me have that Saiyan soul, and that'll be that. Why do you want a soul? Internal life. You talk too much. You ask too many questions. Oh, that did a lot last night. Yeah, it did. Oh, he broke his fall. Huh? All right, there he is. I didn't want to have to take him, but I guess I am. Leave your hands off him. Go on. Leave your hands up, Broly. If I could beat your father and Broly, I could beat you. What? I'm not like my father. Come here. Nope, I got voice. He can fly, so can I. What? There's two of us. Two? Dad. You're lucky we don't have three. So what's his name? Charizard Midget? Charizard Mini. I'm a clone of him. So you think the same? Dad, leave your hands on my son. You okay? Yeah, Dad. Now's my chance. Oh, no, go on. Mother. All right, your soul's mine. Gotta bring it to the master. I can't get some. It's time to go. Okay. Oh. Back at the base of the biggest bird, the two Tyrant Charizard have the requirements to revive the Dark Master. We have the 9 souls. I wanted 50. Oh, we could gather them. They would be way too tough. I want to embody the beer that I fear most, and that's cats. Yeah, you were a bird. I'm gonna embrace my fear. Makes me stronger. 9 lives? That's ironic since I'm becoming a cat. I'll take it. My power will be immense. 9 lives should be enough to take down Goku, my revenge. Oh, if we could take him down, you surely can. And he'll know that. I want his whole family dead in my hands. So you actually died. Yes, I died. But You replied to me. I can't get my old body, so I'll have a new one. Isn't it wonderful?
Yes, boss.
Good. We strike tomorrow.
Why tomorrow? Why not right now?
Unexpected. You didn't cause a ruckus taking out Polly, right? Right? We're not going to answer. You can answer it. Yeah. You did? Yep. He knows. Yep. Ow! Oh, please stop hitting me. I'm sorry. Alright, then there's no point. I'm striking tonight. Right now. Quicker than he expects. I'm gonna play through his hole.
But there's already cracked inside.
I told you, shut up. I'm going in. Back at Goku's house. Broly, I can't. I miss him. We all do. At least I fixed the wall. Yeah. Dad, I'm so sorry I couldn't stand up to Emo 1. You did better than me. You soloed the big one. I didn't beat him. I know. So I didn't solo. They're gonna strike sometime. And I won't know. Well, none of us will know. None of us can know. I think it's one of those waiting plans. But unexpected, they already did expect it. Which means they're gonna come sooner than expected. Someone's knocking at our door. It's 12 o'clock in the night. I'm gonna go check it. I sense something. Something dangerous. Who are you? Oh, I'm your biggest nightmare. Are you now? Oh, how would you like to know? Can Goku beats the biggest bird's reincarnated body? Will he realize who it is? And can Goku rescue the souls that were taken and Broly? Find out on the Biggest Bird Part 4 finale, Part 2, next time on The Biggest Bird.